Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add nicknames to your friends on Discord. So let's begin. First, open your Discord application. Then over here, it will show all of your friends that you've interacted with recently, direct messages. So if they're here, you can simply right click on it. I'll show you what it looks like. So for example, you have this interface over here. Right click on it, and it will show a small window that you can interact. And over here, you have add friend nickname. Choose that option, and it will open up a new window. Over here, you can now enter your friend's nickname in here. Just type anything you want. And for example, if you've already set your friend's nickname in the past and want to change this, you can click on reset. Just make sure to hit save. Then the changes should immediately show up once you close this window. So try to check in your friends list over here. Their name should already get updated. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.